Addressing curricular challenges for students with disabilities and twice exceptional. 2E. Children is vital for fostering their academic success and holistic development. Here's a breakdown of content focusing on this topic. Understanding curricular challenges. 1. Define curricular challenges and their impact on students with disabilities and twice exceptional children. 2. Highlight common obstacles such as inaccessible materials, rigid curriculum structures, and limited accommodations. Inclusive curriculum design. 1. Discuss the principles of inclusive curriculum design that accommodate diverse learning needs. 2. Explore strategies for creating flexible and differentiated learning experiences that cater to individual strengths and challenges. Accommodations and modifications. 1. Explain the difference between accommodations, adjustments that enable students to access the same curriculum, and modifications, changes to the curriculum content or standards. 2. Provide examples of effective accommodations and modifications tailored to specific disabilities and learning profiles. Universal Design for Learning, UDL. 1. Introduce the concept of Universal Design for Learning, UDL, as a framework for creating accessible and inclusive curricula. 2. Showcase how UDL principles can be applied to design curriculum options that meet the diverse needs of all learners. Supporting twice exceptional learners. 1. Define twice exceptional, 2E, learners and the unique challenges they face due to the combination of giftedness and disabilities. 2. Discuss strategies for identifying and supporting 2E students within the curriculum, such as strength-based approaches and personalized learning plans. Teacher training and professional development. 1. Highlight the importance of providing teachers with training and professional development opportunities to effectively address curricular challenges. 2. Showcase examples of successful teacher training programs that focus on inclusive curriculum design and implementation. Collaboration and individualized education plans, IEPs. 1. Emphasize the role of collaboration between educators, parents, specialists, and students in developing and implementing individualized education plans, IEPs. 2. Discuss how IEPs can be used to address curricular challenges and provide tailored support for students with disabilities and 2E learners. Success stories and best practices. 1. Share success stories and best practices from schools and districts that have implemented effective strategies for addressing curricular challenges. 2. Highlight the positive impact of inclusive curriculum design on student engagement, achievement, and overall well-being. By addressing curricular challenges for students with disabilities and twice exceptional children through inclusive practices and targeted support, educators can create learning environments where all students can thrive academically and personally.